How to apply filters in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo from the top toolbar and choose an image from your gallery, or tap the camera icon at the top right to capture a new one. Once your image is loaded into the editing workspace, look at the bottom toolbar and tap on the Filters option. Inside the Filters option, you will see a variety of filter styles. Tap on any filter to preview how it will affect your image. Once you select a filter, you will also see a slider that lets you adjust the intensity of the effect. Slide it to the left for a softer look or to the right for a stronger impact. After choosing and adjusting the filter, tap the check mark to apply it. Finally, tap the save icon at the top right corner to save your edited image to your device or share it directly to your preferred platform. And that's it. Now you know how to apply filters in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.